DEGIRO versus interactive brokers, which is better? The choice that feels obvious until it doesn't, DEGIRO can feel simpler and faster to start with. Interactive brokers can feel more powerful and serious. The trap is choosing based on first impressions, then discovering later that your real needs are totally different. There's one deciding factor most people ignore because it's not exciting, but is often what makes the better choice. I'll bring it back at the end. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. What is DEGIRO and what is interactive brokers? DEGIRO is a broker that's often chosen for a straightforward investing experience, especially for people who want to buy and hold without turning the platform into a hobby. Interactive brokers is widely known for breadth and control, with tools and account features that can scale as your activity becomes more complex. Both let you invest, but the feel is different. DEGIRO tends to focus on accessibility. Interactive brokers tends to focus on flexibility and precision. How do they work day to day? With DEGIRO, the day-to-day experience usually centers on a clean workflow. You search, you place orders, you track positions, and you keep moving. For many people, that's the point. Less friction, fewer settings, fewer decisions. With interactive brokers, you can keep it simple, but the platform often nudges you toward configuration and options. Order types, market data choices, interface depth, and advanced tools can become part of the routine. So the question isn't only which is better, it's whether you want a broker that minimizes decisions or a broker that gives you more levers to pull. Which is better for real use, and what do people mess up? If your goal is long-term investing with minimal fuss, DEGIRO can be better because it keeps the experience lighter and more focused. People are less likely to overcomplicate things when the platform doesn't invite it. If your goal includes broader access, multiple regions, different currencies, or more active decision making, interactive brokers can be better because it supports more advanced workflows without forcing you to switch later. The common mistake is choosing a platform based only on headline pricing. Costs can show up in different places, like how certain markets are accessed, what features you actually use, and whether you end up paying in time and stress. Another mistake is confusing simple with limited or confusing advanced with superior. In practice, the better platform is often the one that matches your habits. The trade-offs people don't say out loud. DEGIRO's biggest strength can also be its constraint. Simplicity can mean fewer advanced controls when you eventually want them. Interactive brokers' biggest strength can also be its friction. Depth can feel heavy if you just want to place a trade and forget about it. There's also a mindset difference. DEGIRO often suits people who want the platform to disappear. Interactive brokers often suits people who want the platform to be a toolkit. If you're prone to tweaking and second guessing, more tools don't always help. Sometimes they amplify noise. If you're deliberate and hands-on, more tools can reduce uncertainty and expand options. The deciding factor that usually wins this comparison, here's the factor most people ignore: how likely you are to outgrow the platform. If you want one place that can handle more complexity later, interactive brokers often has the edge because you can grow into it without rebuilding your setup. If you mainly want a clean investing routine that stays simple, DEGIRO can be the better fit because it protects you from unnecessary complexity. So better isn't a trophy, it's a match. The best choice is the one that keeps you consistent, because consistency usually beats cleverness over time. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier.
If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.
And remember that you can find the links in the description of the brokers mentioned in this video, with all promotions applied.
Link in description.